Hey, and welcome to Lesson 2 of Waitlist for WooCommerce, setting up and configuring the plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and configure the waitlist for the WooCommerce plugin. Let's get started. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Click on the Products tab and select Waitlist. Let's start with Display Options. Waitlist requires registration. Turn this on if you want logged-in users to join the waitlist. Force account creation. If the user is not logged in, this will automatically create an account for them. Auto login users. It automatically logs in users after account creation. Double opt-in. Requires confirmation of email before adding to the waitlist. Display opt-in for new users. Displays a checkbox for logged-out users to consent to account creation. Display opt-in for registered users. Displays a checkbox for logged-in users to consent to use their email address. Show waitlist elements on shop page. Allows users to join or leave wishlist directly from the main shop page. Next, let's explore administration options. Archive waitlist. This keeps a record of users who are notified when the product comes back in stock. Minimum stock. Set the minimum stock threshold. The waitlist will only be active if the stock falls below this number. Remove data on uninstall. If checked, all waitlist data will be deleted when you uninstall the plugin. Export waitlist data. You can download a CSV file of all waitlist data for reporting or analysis. Finally, let's look at waitlist update options. Update waitlist counts. You can use this to recreate the number of users on each waitlist. Update waitlist metadata. This ensures your data matches the latest plugin structure. These options are useful for troubleshooting or after major updates. Once the settings are added, click on Save Changes, and that's it. You have now set up and configured your waitlist for the WooCommerce plugin. That is a wrap on setting up and configuring the plugin Waitlist for WooCommerce. Subscribe for more tutorials.